Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a little bit of a slime video, and I'm going to make the winter giveaway slime. So basically, let's get started. And if you're going to make it with me, you're going to need a mixing tool with a bowl. You're also going to need some glue. I'm using clear glue. You're also going to need some foam balls, some white paint, and white sparkles. You can also use like red sparkles, but I'm not gonna use any of those today. You're also going to need contact solution and baking soda or any other type of safe activator. But anyways, let's get started. I'm going to place these to the side so we can basically focus on the first couple main stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour in your glue. So you're going to take that out. My phone is swelling. And then you're just going to pour as much glue. And I'm pouring as much glue as I want my giveaway winners to get. As much slime, actually. Ooh, this is heavy. I got to pour a little bit more. And I don't know if you guys see, but my table is actually covered. This is a little secret, but this is actually wrapping paper, and I just thought of this and I thought it was really cool. I could do this, but next I'm going to, after I poured in my glue, I have a very thick glue. I'm going to, oh my god. Pour some of my white paint, and I'm going to mix that in. I'm going to pour a little bit more. I want it to kind of drop in. Alright, always want to close it so it doesn't dry up. Soon I will have a video of me remaking my little craft area that I always do my videos in. And the reason why is because y'all don't see it. A lot of my friends do, but it is very, very, very messy. And I do have a shelving unit from that I used for my old toys when I was younger, like Play-Doh toys and fake food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all that stuff out and use it for this. So that will be fun. Alright, so I just put the paint in, and I'm going to put in a little bit of foam beads, and it's just going to replicate like little snowballs, kinda. Just a few, not many. It's not supposed to be a foam slime. Alright, we're also going to add some sparkles. I'm getting sparkles everywhere. But I'm just going to pour, this is a very pretty slime. Oh my god, I keep getting it everywhere. So, I did have, my cousin pick this out. But I will be changing for about every video. I'm gonna be changing it so that, it will be more festive, and stuff. So, it'll just look very pretty. Anyways, next I'm going to put a little pinch of baking soda, and we're just going to mix that in. Sparkles you can't really see, but when you start kneading, you'll be able to see. And I can't knead on this table, so we're just going to pour some activator and start activating quickly. Now, this is not the container I'll be giving away. I'll pour a little bit more baking soda. I will be giving away, I'm going to be putting it in a plastic bag just because I think it's better. And if you do have a container, then go ahead, use the containers. If you forgot who the giveaway winners are, you can go ahead and check the other videos that I have. I have a lot of giveaways, but I want you guys to get me to 30 subscribers. It's only 4 subscribers away. Get me to 30 subscribers, and then I'll do another giveaway. And once I do another giveaway, you can win whatever you want, and I'll comment it down below. And you will comment it down below. Not I will, but you will comment it down below, and I'll comment it in the description. Can you even comment in the description? Whatever, y'all know what I mean. I feel like my fork's about to break. Squeeze. Gotta pour a little activator. So I have 2 givers. Wow. I haven't gave any of the slimes away yet, but I will. So this one is for Cool Ivy Girl. Congratulations. Obviously you already won, but I'm just saying that again so you know and you remember. But you have won the snowy slime. And also Jamiris McClinton, you have won the other batch of the slime. This is a marshmallowy slime. Now if you do like to add anything of your own, go ahead. You can add, I don't know what you want to add. You can add a different color if you really don't like the color. It's your slime now. So, and actually, Cool Ivy Girl did change her name. So I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm so sorry. There's a problem. Should have done a replay on that. Okay, now it's getting on my table. I gotta pour some. Oh, I'm gonna have to change this out afterwards. It's not meeting at all, and it's not coming off either. So actually, kind of is. It's okay. Slime gets messy sometimes. Oh my god, it's like all over me. Anyways, I'm going to be back when I'm done activating. Alright, you guys, so I am currently done with the slime. I left it, I don't know if it's overactivated, but it might be a little bit. But if it is overactivated, all you need to do is soak it in some warm water, and stuff. So, anyways, it's still kind of sticky, but I'm going to keep it like that. Alright, I have 2 Ziploc bags. Y'all, the slime is like killing me. Alright. Can't put the slime on the table. See? It'll stick. So I have to like... No, it'll stick here. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the Ziploc bag for now. Till I get the Ziploc bag open. Alright, I got it open, so now I can stick it open. Shove it in there. And for a little bit of cuteness, we're going to put a few foam balls on top. Just like that. And we're going to put some sparkles on top. Alright. Is that good, y'all? That looks good to me. So the first batch is done, as you see. Now the second batch is a little bit different because this person asked if I can make it a specific color. So I will make that specific color, but not today, but I will make it another day. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Congratulations to Cool Ivy Girl who did win the giveaway. I'll be doing much more giveaways. Make sure you get me to 30 subscribers. It's only 4 subscribers away, and I will do another cool giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and turn that post notification button on. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!